Drum solos. In this video, I want to show you a simple strategy on developing your drum solo skills. So here's the premise. I like to think that the role of a drummer is to sketch out the form of a song through grooves, fills, phrasing, and sometimes even soloing. So let's check out a popular soloing type and some of the core concepts that we could use for this skill set. Now, one type of soloing is called comp soloing, which is where we improvise over some sort of established rhythmic phrase, and we could call it shots, hits, phrases, all the same thing. Now, it's not just enough to play a string of rudiments or patterns together, and so one way to be able to navigate phrases is to 1. Get familiar with counting and playing the rhythms in a given note rate, and then get familiar with accenting them. So for instance, here are all the possible 16-note rhythms played as accents. Step 2 is to create your own obstacle course, as I would say. Challenge yourself to catch the rhythms and play ideas in between the rhythms. You want to play the note rate on your hands and accent the rhythms, or move the accent to the toms, or play the accents with your hands and a kick in unison, or move it to the cymbals. Let me show you what I mean. Now here's my obstacle course, and here's my way through it. Eventually, you want to do the same thing for different note rates. Now, I used to be really terrified of soloing, and so let me know if soloing intimidated you, and if you've ever overcome that fear, let me know how. Now, combining this with other concepts we spoke about, including how to create words, how to create phrases and string them together, you'll now have a really cool foundation to get your soloing going. And so if you found this useful, you could support this channel by subscribing and hitting that notification bell with a flam so that you know when I'm posting. Special shout out to Denzel, Godson, Faith and Daryl. See you next time in the Drum Corner.